Well, I started using the Irish language after I moved back from London, where I worked designing and pattern cutting for several years, and I had a vision to set up my own business in Ireland. I had a passion for the Irish language anyway, and it seemed like a natural thing to do with opening in the west of Ireland, and we chose our name All Rune. The benefits of using the Irish language was that it set us apart from the rest. It created a curiosity in people, and it struck up conversations as to what does All Rune mean, which we answered secret desires or secret wishes, and it did just add to the mystery of what All Rune is. My plans for the future for All Rune are to work and expand my Misha and Tussa collection of ladies' clothing. I do have a vision to expand it outside of clothing. I find that it's not difficult to incorporate the Irish language and to continue with it with our social media and in-store signage.